You want to install apps for other countries on the Play Store, but those apps don't even appear in your region. Don't worry, this video is for you. Hey, welcome back. In today's video, I will show you a simple trick to install region lock apps from different countries using your phone. Before we start, make sure to subscribe my channel Zonic Tech so you never miss any of my upcoming videos. First, open the Play Store on your phone and search for a VPN app like Turbo VPN. Install it and open the app. Now tap on connect. You will see different subscription options like monthly or yearly. Choose any if you want full access. Once connected, you can select any country you like, for example Canada. After selecting the country, go back and open the Play Store again. Now tap on your profile icon, go to settings, then open general and click on account and device preferences. Here under country and profile, you will notice that along with your current country, the new country like Canada is also. If you activate the VPN subscription, you will be able to access and install apps available in that selected country. Your Play Store region will temporarily reflect that country. That's how you can easily change your region and install app for any country. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and stay connected with Zonic Tech for more useful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.